The famous Rocky stairs. Do your homework on Rocky running up these stairs.
Thunderjet.
Yeah. Let's go. I took the whole year off and niggas still ain't got no motion. I ain't gon' lie, I lost focus, I lost my nigga note. But now I'm back in this bitch giving all you niggas notice.
Hey, do y'all homework on the famous Rocky stairs. If y'all look at my videos, I already went up these. Look at my last Philly video. But this time, me and Honcho gonna go up the stairs. Come on, Honcho. Oh my God. Come on, bro. I can't really see. Yes, sir. We made it. That boy wore out. Yeah, look at that boy. That boy made it to the top of the Rocky stairs. Hold on. Dang. But yeah, man. Like, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell so you can stay tapped to 'em. We right here. If you know, you know. Oh yeah. Hey, get you one in. There we go. Yeah. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna clean it up. He gotta leave his territory wherever he go. Sit. Billy, we here, man. Tune in TV. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We back with another video. Actually, we ending this video. Y'all see my background? Yes, sir. Hey, another successful day at Spark. Half a day, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I just want to show y'all that you can make money anywhere you go. Today, including DoorDash and Grubhub, made about 110. I didn't go too hard today. We just wanted to experiment. It's really Spark to see how Spark is out here. Another successful day, another successful trip. Once again, like, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell so you can stay tapped to them. Last thing, we almost at 3,000 subscribers with 2 days left until 2024. So man, make sure you like, make sure you share. Let's run this channel up to 3,000. I appreciate y'all, all the new subscribers. If you're new to this channel is about whatever it want to be about, you know. Food, touring, traveling, vlogs, reactions. There's no niche. I'm telling y'all right now, there's no niche to this channel. We just do what we want to do on this channel and post when we want to post. So if you down with Tune, we gonna keep this thing going, man. We out this bitch. EAGLES, Eagles. EAGLES, Eagles.